Hey guys, in this quick tutorial, I'll show you how you can send money from member to member in Sofi Bank, so let's get started. First, open the Sofi app on your phone, and then tap on the Transfers option. A pop-up menu will appear, and from here you will see three choices: bank transfer, send money to a friend, and set up direct deposit. Select Send Money to a Friend to continue. Next, a new page will open where you need to enter the name of the recipient. You can type in the name of your friend or family member, and then once you've entered the name, another page will appear asking you to type the amount of money you wish to send. You can send as little as $1. After you've entered the amount, tap on Next at the bottom of the screen. You will now see an overview showing the total amount you are sending and the recipient's name. Carefully review this information, and then click on the final button labeled Pay. After that, the money will be successfully sent to your friend or family member through the Sofi app. And that's it. Hey guys, in this quick tutorial, I'll show you how you can invest in stock in Sofi, so let's get started. First, click on your individual active investing account. In this example, the account currently has around $640 in value. You can also see the available buying power, which in this case is only 47 cents. That means if we want to purchase something right now, we'll first need to add funds to the account by selecting the Add Cash button in the top left corner. When you scroll down a little, you'll see the investments already held in this account. If you'd like to add more, there are two different ways. You can either choose one of the existing stocks already in your portfolio, or you can use the search icon at the top. By clicking Search, you'll see different categories such as popular or trending stocks. You can also type in the company name or ticker symbol directly. For example, if you want to buy Tesla, select Tesla from the search results, and then tap on the Buy option. Here, you'll see two choices. You can either set up a recurring investment or make a one-time purchase by selecting Buy. Once you choose to buy, you'll have the option to purchase by dollar amount or by the number of shares. If you select shares, you can enter the exact number of shares you want to buy. At this stage, you can also choose between a market order or a limit order. A market order allows you to buy at the current market price, while a limit order lets you set a specific price point at which you'd like to purchase. For example, if Tesla is trading near $678.90, you can enter that price as your limit order. Once everything is set, click on Review to confirm the details and then proceed with the purchase. And that's it. Hey guys, in this quick tutorial, I'll show you how you can send money from Sofi to PayPal, so let's get started. First, need to get your Sofi account details. To do this, open the Sofi app and tap on the Banking tab. Then, click on the More option in the top right corner. Here, you'll see your routing number and account number listed next to your account type. If you have a checking account, it will appear at the top, and if you also have a savings account, its details will be shown below. Note down your routing number and account number. Next, go to the PayPal website and log into your account. From the top menu, click on Payment Methods. On this screen, select Link a Bank. Enter your Sofi account number and routing number, then click Link your bank. Once your Sofi account has been successfully linked to PayPal, you'll be able to transfer funds. To do that, go to your PayPal dashboard and click on Transfer Money, which you'll find right under your balance. From the options that appear, select Add Money to your balance. On the next screen, choose the Sofi Bank account you linked earlier, then click Next. Enter the amount you want to transfer from Sofi to PayPal, click Next again, and confirm the transaction. That's it. Hey guys, in this quick tutorial, I'll show you how you can apply for a Sofi loan, so let's get started. First, you'll need to check if you're pre-qualified. To do this, tap on View Your Rate and enter your basic information. This will let you see if you qualify for a loan. Next, fill out the online application form. You'll be asked for details such as your school information, the amount you want to borrow, and your personal details. If you have a co-signer, you can invite them to join your application. Having a co-signer may help you secure better rates. After that, review the available rates and terms, and select the one that best fits your needs. Once everything is complete, submit your application for review. To be eligible, you must be pursuing a bachelor's degree or higher, be a US citizen or permanent resident, and be enrolled at least half-time in an eligible institution. And that's it. Hey guys, in this quick tutorial, I'll show you how you can budget with Sofi, so let's get started. First, open your Sofi app and head over to the banking section. Here, you'll find features that let you view your income, expenses, and balances all in one place. This is the foundation of setting up your budget. Next, you can take advantage of Sofi Vaults. Vaults are like digital envelopes that allow you to separate money for specific goals, whether it's an emergency fund, a vacation, or paying off debt. Simply create a new vault, set a target amount, and start transferring money into it. Another helpful feature is automatic savings. You can schedule recurring transfers into your vaults or savings account, and this ensures that you're consistently setting aside money without having to think about it. Sofi also gives you spending insights, which categorize your purchases and show you where your money is going each month. By reviewing these insights, you can adjust your habits, cutting back where needed and allocating more funds toward your priorities. Finally, you can set alerts and reminders to help you stay disciplined with your budget and avoid overspending. And that's it. Hey guys, in this quick tutorial, I'll show you how you can open a bank account with Sofi, so let's get started. First, open your browser on your computer and go to sofi.com. From here, you'll either need to log in to your existing Sofi profile or create a new one. If you already have an account, simply click Continue. If not, click on Get Started. Next, enter your first and last legal name, select your state, and provide your email address. After that, check the required box and click Next. A verification code will be sent to your email, so click on Send Email, retrieve the code, and type it into the verification field. Once you've done that, click Verify Code to proceed. After logging in, navigate to the banking section. Here, you'll need to choose between an individual account or a joint account. Then, provide your personal information, including your full legal name, date of birth, citizenship status, country of citizenship, and your physical address. You'll also need to enter your social security number or ITIN, phone number, email address, employment status, employer details, and any backup withholding tax information if applicable. Once that's complete, confirm your identity by verifying your phone number and entering the code sent via text. Next, review the legal disclaimers, agree to the terms and conditions, and click Submit to finish your application. Keep in mind, you'll need a valid address, a social security number, a phone number that can receive texts, and a government-issued ID such as a driver's license to verify your identity. And that's it. Hey guys, in this quick tutorial, I'll show you how fast does Sofi process loan application, so let's get started. Sofi processes personal loan applications quite efficiently. The initial review usually begins within 1 business day, and then most applications are completed within just 2 business days. For applicants who are self-employed or have income that requires additional documentation, Sofi's self-employed operations specialists will reach out within 2 to 4 business days to begin the review, and then the process will move forward once all documents are provided. Please note that if you are applying with a co-applicant, the review can take a little longer since both incomes need to be verified, and in that case, you should allow up to 10 business days for processing. After that, once all your final documents are signed, the funds are typically dispersed within just a few business days. And that's it. Hey guys, in this quick tutorial, I'll show you how you can check Sofi debit card status, so let's get started. If you want to check the status of your Sofi debit card, the process is very simple. First, open the Sofi app on your phone and log into your account. Once you are inside, go to the banking section and select the debit card option. Here, you will be able to view the current status of your card, whether it is active, in transit, or shipped, and then if it has already been shipped, you may also see the expected delivery date. After that, if you are using a desktop instead of the mobile app, you can visit the official Sofi website and log into your account. From there, navigate to your checking and savings account, select the debit card option, and review the status in the same way. And then, if you are unable to find the updates through the app or website, you can directly contact Sofi customer support by calling 855-456-7634 or by using the in-app chat support. Finally, once your physical debit card arrives, make sure to activate it through the Sofi app before you start using it. Hey guys, in this quick tutorial, I'll show you how you can make a Sofi bank account for free, so let's get started. First, log in to your Sofi profile and navigate to the Banking Products section. Once there, select Get Started to begin the application. The first decisions you will be asked to make are whether you want an individual or joint account, and then to provide your date of birth. Enter your information carefully and exactly as it appears on your identity documents. Next, the application will ask about your citizenship and the country that issued your citizenship. Provide accurate citizenship details and the name of the issuing country. After that, enter your primary residential address. Use your current address and make sure any formatting matches your official proofs of residence to avoid verification delays. You will then need to provide your Social Security number or an individual taxpayer identification number (ITIN). This information is required for identity verification and tax reporting. After entering your tax identifier, you will be asked to select your employment status and fill in specifics about your employer, including employer name and address if applicable. Complete this section truthfully. These details are used to verify your employment and assess account eligibility. As part of the tax compliance process, Sofi will ask whether you are subject to backup withholding. Answer this question based on your tax circumstances. Next, verify your phone number by entering the number where you can receive SMS messages. Sofi will send a verification code to that number. Enter the code on the application page to confirm your phone. Before final submission, carefully read the legal disclosures and the account terms. Check the confirmation box to acknowledge that you have read and agree to the terms. Then click Submit to complete your application. After submission, Sofi may perform identity checks, which can take a short amount of time. You will receive confirmation via email or within your Sofi account once the application is approved. A few final tips. If you plan to fund the account immediately, have the routing and account number of your external bank ready for a transfer or set up direct deposit. Keep scanned copies or photos of your ID and proof of address available to speed up verification. If you experience any problems, Sofi's support team can help via chat or phone within the app. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.